Hello everyone, welcome to Master Azerbaijani. Today is recap day. Let's see what did we learn this week. We learned how to say salam for hello and regards. We also learned that Hörmət can mean respect, esteem, and courtesy. Remember how to sign off those emails with Hörmətlə? We learned Zəhmət Olmasa, to be nice and kind when we ask for something. We learned how to say Bağışla, to ask for forgiveness, say sorry, and to donate. We learned how to say Hələlik, meaning bye for now or for now, for the time being, so far. We also learned how to say Mədəni, cultural, civilized, and polite. And of course, there is your Qadan Alım for fun word, where you will get to see this in bazaars from ladies who try to sell you something or from your aunties and grandparents. Oh, and remember those dad joke uses? High five, jazz hands, and a big salam to the whole room. Or, show me some Hörmət, man. Or, I use Zəhmət Olmasa when I need help, not when I'm being dramatic, which is almost never. Now, you really gotta do this. Tell this to people who don't behave. Try being Mədəni for 5 minutes. All right? And if you got your Qadan Alım from them, there must be something wrong with their product, right? Awesome. Now, quiz time. Which word also means bye? Make sure to drop in the comments below and don't worry about typing the letters like sh the right way. Just type in with the closest match. Thanks for watching and learning with us this week. Make sure to come back next week for a new set of word. Right? Remember, consistency is fluency. Until then, check masterofjourney.com for more. I'll see you next week for a new set of words. Bye-bye.